Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your critical thinking sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to solve sample paper 3 of NOF Critical Thinking Champions League class 4. So students, stay tuned and watch every question explanation properly. So let's begin with the question number 1. Question number 1. A water tank can fill in 20 minutes, but a hole in it can empty it in 30 minutes. How long will it take to fill the tank if both are working together? A. 30 minutes, B. 40 minutes, C. 120 minutes, and D. 60 minutes. So the filling rate is 1 by 20 tank per minute and the emptying rate is 1 by 30 tank per minute. So our net rate is 1 by 20 minus 1 by 30. So this is 3 minus 2 by 60. This gives us 1 by 60. So the tank fills in 60 minutes. Our correct answer is option D. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 2. Which word is the antonym of pessimistic? A. Hopeful, B. Gloomy, C. Negative, and D. Cynical. Here the correct answer is A, that is hopeful. Why? Because pessimistic means expecting bad outcomes and hopeful meaning expecting good outcomes. These meanings are opposites. Hence, hopeful is the correct antonym. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 3. A is the mother of B, B is the sister of C, D is the father of C. What is D's relationship to A? So A is mother of B, B is sister of C, that means A is also mother of C, and D is father of C. So A and D are parents of C. So D is A's husband. So here the correct answer is option A. Our next question is question number 4. If the day before yesterday was Wednesday, what day will it be 100 days from now? A. Sunday, B. Friday, C. Thursday, and D. Tuesday. So, day before yesterday, that means Wednesday. Why? Because today was Friday. So, day before yesterday was Wednesday. And today is Friday. This is today. Today is Friday. So days repeat after every 7 days. So 100 divided by 7, which gives us remainder of 2. So Friday plus 2 days. So Friday plus 2 days. That means Saturday and Sunday. So our answer is Sunday. That is option A. Our next question is question number 5. Which of the following is the best example of consequence of not telling the truth? A. Making someone happy, B. Losing a friend, C. Finding a lost toy, and D. Helping someone. Here the correct answer is option B. Losing a friend. Not telling the truth can break trust. Broken trust can damage relationships and friends may feel hurt or betrayed. So losing a friend is a real consequence. Our next question is question number 6. If a zebra is like a horse, then a cheetah is like A. Tiger, B. Dog, C. Leopard, and D. Lion. The correct answer is option C. Zebra and horse belong to similar animal families. Cheetah and leopard are both big cats. They have similar body structure and habitat. Thus, leopard is the correct analogy. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 7. Imagine you are planning a picnic in a park. You have a picnic basket, blanket, and drinks, but you forgot the food. What would be the best thing to do next? A. Go home and rest. B. Continue setting up the picnic. C. Find a store nearby to buy food. and D. Invite other people without food. Here, the correct answer is option C. Find a store nearby to buy food. Food is essential for picnic and the problem can still be solved. Buying food nearby is practical and logical. So option C is the best and correct answer. Our next question is question number 8. Which shape has more than 4 sides? Here, option A says triangle, B says square, C is pentagon, and D is circle. So, triangle has 3 sides, square has 4 sides, pentagon has 5 sides, and circle has no sides. So, it has 0. So, which shape has more than 4 sides? So, we can clearly see that pentagon has 5, which is more than 4. So, our correct answer is option C. The next question is question number 9. The sum of two numbers is 45. One number is 15 more than the other. What are the numbers? A. 10 and 35, B. 15 and 30, C. 18 and 27, D. 20 and 25. Here the correct answer is, let smaller number be x and the larger number be x plus 15. So x plus 15 gives us 45 and 2x is equals to 30. So x is equals to 15. So our number is 15 and x plus 15 will be 30. So our correct answer is option B, that is 15 and 30. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 10. A clock shows the time 10:30 a.m. How much time will pass before the hour hand points to 2 p.m.? So from 10:30 to 12:30 it is 2 hours, and from 12:30 to 2 it is 30 minutes. Hour hand reaches 2 after 3 hours total. So the correct answer is option B, that is 3. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 11. If today is Monday, what day will it be 100 days from now? A. Monday, B. Wednesday, C. Tuesday, and D. Friday. So days repeat after every 7 days. So what we will do? 100 divided by 7 and the remainder is 2. So Monday plus 2 days, that is Tuesday and Wednesday. So our correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 12. A box has 6 red marbles, 8 green marbles and 10 blue marbles. What is the ratio of red marbles to blue marbles? A. 3:5, B. 2:3, C. 6:10 and D. 3:4. So red marbles are 6 and blue marbles are 10. So the ratio will be 6:10. So our correct answer is option C, that is 6:10. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 13. A girl always tells the truth on Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday. She always lies on the other days. She says, tomorrow I will lie. What day is it today? A. Sunday, B. Monday, C. Thursday and D. Wednesday. So the correct answer is option A, that is Sunday. Why? Because on Sunday she lies. If she says tomorrow I will lie and lies today, then tomorrow must be a truth day that matches Monday. So today is Sunday. Our next question is question number 14. A family has 3 children. The ages of the children are different and the sum of their ages is 27. If the youngest child is half the age of the oldest child, what are their ages? A. 4, 8 and 15, B. 5, 10 and 12, C. 6, 9 and 12 and D. 7, 10 and 11. So youngest was 6 and oldest was 12. So it is a half condition and the middle was 9. So 6 plus 9 plus 12 is equals to 27. So 6, 9 and 12 is the correct answer. Our next question is question number 15. There are three people in a room, Alice, Bob and Charlie. Alice says I am taller than Bob. Bob says Charlie is shorter than Alice, and Charlie says I am taller than Bob. If only one person is telling the truth, who is the tallest? A. Alice, B. Bob, C. Charlie, and D. It cannot be determined. The correct answer is option A, that is Alice. Why? Because test each statement logically. Only Alice statement can be true alone. Other contradict each other. So Alice is tallest. Our next question is question number 16. You have 5 marbles, 2 red, 1 blue and 2 green. If you pick 2 marbles randomly, what is the probability that you will pick 1 red and 1 green marble? A. 2 by 10, B. 2 by 5, C. 2 by 3 and D. 4 by 10. So total marbles are 5 and so it is total are 5 and red is 2 and green is also 2, and ways to solve are 2 into 2 is equals to 4. So total outcomes is 10. Total outcomes was 10. So 4 by 10, and if we simplify it, it becomes 2 and 5. So our answer is 2 by 5. So our correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 17. A book is 1.5 centimeter thick. If there are 200 pages, what is the thickness of one page? A. 0.005 centimeter, B. 0.0075 centimeter, C. 0.01 centimeter and D. 0.015 centimeter. So here thickness per page is 1.5 divided by 200, which gives us 0.0075 centimeter. So our correct answer is option B. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 18. A magician is playing a trick. He asks a volunteer to think of a number, then add 5, then multiply by 2, then subtract 4, then divide by 2, and finally subtract the original number. What is the result? A. 1, B. 2, C. 3 and D. 4. So let the number be x. So that told x plus 5, then whole multiplied by 2, then we have to subtract 4, then divide 2 and then minus the original number. Divide by 2 and then minus the original number. So when we solve this, it comes 1. So our correct answer is option A. Our next question is question number 19. There are 3 boxes, each labeled with a color red, green and blue. The red box contains only apples, the green box contains only bananas, and the blue box contains both apples and bananas. Each box is incorrectly labeled. If you can open only one box, what is the fewest number of fruits you must pick to correctly label all the boxes? A1, B2, C3 and D4. So the correct answer is option B. Why? Because pick from the box labeled mixed. It must contain only one fruit type. With 2 picks, all labels can be fixed logically. So moving on to the next question, that is question number 20. A train is traveling at a constant speed of 60 miles per hour. How long will it take to travel 150 miles? A. 1 hour, B. 2.5 hours, C. 3 hours and D. 4 hours. Here time is equals to distance divided by speed. So it gives us 150 divided by 60 is equals to time, and 150 divided by 60 is 2.5 hours. So our correct answer is option B. Question number 21. A balloon expands when taken to a mountain. Why? A. The air inside increases. B. The balloon releases gas. C. The outside pressure decreases. D. The balloon is airtight. Here the correct answer is option C. Why? Because at higher altitudes, air pressure outside the balloon is lower. the air inside the balloon pushes outward more strongly. So, because of the less external pressure, the balloon expands and the amount of air inside does not increase. So, the correct reason is decreased outside pressure. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 22. A number is increased by 20%, then decreased by 20%. What is the overall percentage change in the number? A. No change. B. 4% decrease. C. 4% increase. D. 8% decrease. Here, the correct answer is option B, that is 4% decrease. Why? Because assume the number is 100 and if we increase it by 20%, the new number will be 120. And if we decrease 20% of 120, that is 24, 20% of 120, if we decrease this, the answer is 120 minus 24 is equals to 96. So here we can see an overall change of 4% decrease. So our correct answer is option B. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 23. Which of the answer figures is exactly the mirror image of the given question figure when the mirror is held at XY? So let's look at this. This is a mirror. So this image will be something like this. It should be something like this. So there are three lines here. So 1, 2 and 3 and 1, 2 and 3. So we have to find out this pattern in these four things. So option 1, can it be? No, because there are only single lines, no three lines. We need three lines. So no. Second, no. Third, no. Fourth, yes, it can be. It is. Why? Because it has three lines here and it is the same as our pattern. So our correct answer is the fourth one. So option A says 2, B says 4, C says 3 and D says 1. So our correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 24. A bucket is 3 by 4 full. After removing 6 liters, it becomes half full. What is the total capacity of the bucket? A. 12 liters, B. 18 liters, C. 24 liters and D. 36 liters. Here the correct answer is option C, that is 24 liters. Why? So let's find the difference between 3 by 4 and 1 by 2. That is the distance between 3 by 4 and 1 by 2 is 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of the total capacity is 6 liters. Total capacity 6 liters. So total capacity is equals to 6 into 4, that is 24. So option C is the correct option. Our next question is question number 25th. If the mirror is placed on the line XY, then identify the correct mirror image of the given question figure from the answer figures. So this is the mirror. So our image will be something like this and this and again this, this. So we have to find a pattern like this. So where we can see this, we can only see this pattern in the third one. So our correct answer is the third one. And where is the third one located in the options? Option C. So our correct answer is option C. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 26. Which of the answer figures is exactly the mirror image of the given question figure when the mirror is held at XY? So this is gummy written here and this is a mirror. So the places of G will change? No. The places of G will not change because the mirror is not here. The mirror is here. So it will directly come here. It will reflect, like if G is written like this, G will be written like this. Something like this. So where is the correct answer located? It's on the fourth because it is not changing here. So our correct answer is the fourth one and the fourth version is B option. So our correct is B option. Question number 27. A bottle holds 1.5 liters of juice. If you pour it into 250 ml glasses, how many full glasses can you fill? A 4, B 5, C 6 and D 7. So Let's do it step by step. So the water is 1.5 liters, that is 1500 ml. Each glass is 250 ml. So 1500 divided by 250, which gives us 6. So we can fill 6 glasses. Our next question is question number 28. If the mirror is placed on the line XY, then identify the correct mirror image of the given question figure from the answer figures. So this is our question figure. So 8 will remain same. 8 will come here. 8 will not come here. No, 8 will come here. So this is the easiest question. As we can see, 8 is on the left side in only one options. So our correct answer is option number 1. Option A says 2, B says 4, C says 3 and D says 1. So our correct is option D. Our next question is question number 29. A boat takes 2 hours to travel 16 km downstream and 4 hours to travel 8 km upstream. What is the speed of the boat in still water? A. 4 km per hour, B. 5 km per hour, C. 6 km per hour and D. 7 km per hour. So downstream speed is 16 divided by 2, that is 8 km per hour, and upstream speed is 8 divided by 4, that is 2 km per hour. So speed in still water is 8 plus 2 divided by 2, that is 5 km per hour. So our correct answer is 5 km per hour and option B is the correct option. Our next question is question number 30. A taxi charges rupees 50 plus rupees 12 per kilometer. If you travel 8 km, how much will be the fare? A 100, B 120, C 150 and D 146. So distance charge is 8 kilometers into 12 rupees, that is equals to 96, and base charge, that was rupees 50, so rupees 96 plus rupees 50, which gives us 146. So our correct answer is option D. Our next question is question number 31. River is to water as tree is to dash. A wood, B leaves, C branches and D forest. Here the correct answer is option B, that is leaves. Why? Because a river contains water and a tree contains leaves. The relation is object and what is naturally has. So option B is the correct option. Our next question is question number 32. Why is it important to forgive someone who apologizes? A. To make them feel bad. B. To let go of anger and restore trust. C. To show them we are better than they are. D. To teach them a lesson. Here the correct answer is option B. Forgiveness reduces anger and stress. It helps repair relationships and it restores trust between people. So option B is the best and correct answer. Our next question is question number 33. Which word is the antonym of pride? A. Humility, B. Arrogance, C. Strength and D. Courage. The correct answer is option A, that is humility. Why? Because pride means excessive self-importance and humility means modesty. They are exact opposites. So option A is the correct option. Our next question is question number 34. A is the brother of B, B is the mother of C, and D is the father of B. What is A's relationship to C? A grandfather, B uncle, C cousin, and D brother. So here A is sibling of B and B is mother of C. So A is mother's brother. So that makes A the uncle. So correct answer is option B. Our next question is question number 35. Which word is the antonym of harmony? A. Peace, B. Disagreement, C. Balance and D. Friendship. The correct answer is option B, that is disagreement. Why? Because harmony means agreement and peace, and disagreement means lack of harmony. They are opposites. So correct answer is option B. Our next question is question 36. Why is it important to admit when we don't know something? A. To avoid learning new things. B. To pretend we know everything. C. To show honesty and a willingness to learn. D. To make others feel smarter than us. So, here the correct answer is option C. Why? Because admitting ignorance is honest. It opens the door to learning and it also builds trust and growth. So the correct answer is to show honesty and a willingness to learn. Our next question is question number 37. Pen is to writer as paintbrush is to dash. A. Artist, B. Painter, C. Designer, and D. Creator. The correct answer is option B, that is painter. A pen is used by a writer and a paintbrush is used by a painter. So the correct answer is option B. Our next question is question 38. If John's mother is Mary's daughter, what is John's relationship to Mary? A. Son, B. Grandson, C. Father, and D. Brother. So, Mary's daughter is John's mother. So, John is Mary's grandchild. Since John is male, he is the grandson. Thus, option B is the correct option. Our next question is question number 39. Which word is the antonym of flexible? A. Stiff, B. Soft, C. Weak, and D. Tough. The correct answer is stiff, because flexibles mean easy to bend and stiff means not bendable. They are opposites. So option A is the correct option. Let's move to our last question, that is question number 40. Why should we respect the opinions of others even if we disagree? A. To let them feel superior. B. To avoid arguments. C. Because everyone has the right to their perspective. D. So they agree with us later. The correct answer is option C. Because everyone has different experience and thoughts, and respect builds healthy communication, and disagreement does not mean disrespect. So option C is the correct option. So great job, students. You have now completed sample paper 3 class 4 with full understanding. Keep practicing logical thinking and problem solving skills. See you in sample paper 4.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.